Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar releases report on land use survey of Manipur, says measures will be taken to check deforestation in the state. Minister Shyam Kumar urges municipal councils and local urban bodies to put Manipur on top in Swachh Sarvekshan 2018. Manipur Mountaineering Institute celebrates 32nd Foundation Day. Minister Shyam stresses people's role to maintain the natural beauty of Manipur. Shiv Sena Manipur State asserts that the state centre should respect the stand of Manipur Assembly on the framework agreement. And Jairam Thakur sworn in as Himachal Chief Minister. Modi, Amit Shah and 13 Chief Ministers of BJP-ruled states attend the event. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching on Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar today released the report on land use survey of Manipur for 2015 to 16 under Manipur Strategic Statistical Survey Program MASSP was released at his office at Babupara. Joy Kumar asserted that the land use survey report will give minute details on the land use data of the state. He said the data will be provided to government administration and departments like Agriculture Department, Horticulture Department, KADA, etc. for discussion. He also said instruction for afforestation will be given as a measure to combat the issue of deforestation in the state. The land use survey of Manipur is taken up under Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, Department of Science and Technology, using remote sensing and geographical information sensing technology, and sponsored by Directorate of Economic and Statistics, Government of Manipur, to generate a geodatabase of 9-fold land use classes as per recommendation of the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, covering the entire state of Manipur. As per the 9-fold data, forest area of the state is 76.85%, area under non-agricultural use is 4.19%, permanent pastures and other grazing lands is 0.29%, land under miscellaneous tree crops is 4.16%, variant and uncultural land is 0.01%, fallow land and current fallows are 0% each. Cultivable waste land is 5.64% and net area shown is 8.86%. Compared to 2010-11 report, the 2015-16 report released today, forest area and area under non-agricultural use are reduced to almost half. The report provides minute details on land available in the 9th district of the state. Officials were also present at the event.
Agriculture is another one. Horticulture is another one. Agriculture which are the agricultural area? I think it's management of wetland. Wetland management is also very important. Wetland management is we are having so much problem. 2015 and 16 base now we are going to 2017-18. Now things might have. Let's see, stay the project or change. I don't think there is any problem if we make this available to the public, and after there will be people, research people who would like to have certain data for their specific research work. So make this also available.
Mahot Minister Thongnawjam Shyam Kumar today urged the municipal councils and the local urban bodies to put Manipur on top in Swachh Sarvekshan 2018. Shyam Kumar announced a cash prize of 1.5 lakh rupees each to Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat if they win the cleanliness and sensitization competition under Swachh Sarvekshan 2018 scheme. Speaking at the media sensitization workshop on the Swachh Sarvekshan 2018 scheme at City Convention Palace compound, the minister said the government of India aims at making the country open defecation free on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, by October 2nd, 2019. He stressed the role of media in making the scheme a success by disseminating the purpose of the schemes to the public. He said the beauty of a society can be reflected in the cleanliness of its environment. The minister said Imphal city and towns of the state have become cleaner than before. He appealed to urban local bodies and the people to contribute to maintain the state clean to compete with other cities in the country. He said Manipur has occupied a place in sports and art and culture in the world. Shyam Kumar appealed to the people to make Manipur known to the world for being neat and clean too. The minister also urged the municipal councils and local urban bodies to put to work the state on top in the cleanliness competition under Swachh Sarvekshan 2018 scheme. Shyam Kumar said 1 lakh each will be given to Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat to participate in the competition. Prizes to winners of Mission Imphal Kaibul cleanliness competition, which took place from November 12 to December 2nd, were also distributed on the occasion. Kumbi Municipal Council, Nambol Municipal Council and Moirang Municipal Council were the winner, first runners-up and the second runners-up, and also awarded a cash prize of Rs 80,000, 50,000 and 30,000 respectively, while Ningthokong Municipal Council, Bishnupur Municipal Council and Oinam Municipal Council were presented with 10,000 rupees each as a consolation.
भारत की सिटी खुदिमक चांगदमनाबदा मणिपुरना मकोक ओइनबगिदमकता अचौब दायित्व लौबियु साना खोनाबदा कल्चरदा जगोई इसैदा टॉप टॉपा मालेमदा कोई फिदा अमा थमीबा कोई लमदम अमनी दु लु नामदा सि फिदम असि थमगदि अचौब पुंग फाबा इना खुनबा स्टेट अमनी हायदना कोई मालेम सखंग नबगिदमकता लमदम असिदा कोइना मयामना मतिंग पांबियु स्वास सर्वेक्षण सिग्नितानिपान सुमा कम्पिटिशन असि होनबदा Manipur government की साइड की मोदी डिपार्टमेंट साइड की म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन अमदी नगर पंचायत सिंह दा लुपा लाख मोदी डिपार्टमेंट पीगनी दुगा हाई रैंकिंग तारक म्युनिसिपल कनो सिंह कोई ला मखाई कोई पीगनी.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has asserted that the differences between the hills and the valley is only created by people and appealed to all to work together for a uniform development in the state. Karam Sham was speaking at the 32nd Foundation Day of Manipur Mountaineering Institute MMI, organized by the Training Wing of Manipur Mountaineering and Training Association MMTA at Lamdang Henglep subdivision of Churachandpur district today. He said MMI has been playing a great role in strengthening the bond between the hills and the valley and in bringing development in the hills in the last 32 years. He said proper utilization of land resources can go a long way in bringing peace and communal harmony in the state, in addition to curbing the divide between the hills and the plains. Karam Sham said that there is a natural beauty in Manipur and that just a little man-made effort is required to bring the much needed change and can attract tourists. He said sincerity and sacrifice on the part of the elected leaders and people is needed in maintaining the natural beauty of the state. Floral tributes was offered to portrait of Tenzing Morge, who laid the foundation stone of MMI at Lamdang on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Tenzin, who was the field training director of Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling, visited Manipur and laid the foundation stone of MMI on December 27, 1985. MMI presented gifts to representatives of mountaineering and sports climbing clubs from the different districts on the occasion. Shiv Sena Manipur State has asserted that the centre should respect the resolution adopted by the 60 MLAs of Manipur on framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSC and IM in the State Assembly. The The party has also demanded disclosure of the contents of the framework agreement to the people of the state. Addressing media persons at his office in Bopra, President of Shiv Sena Manipur State, M. Tombi, demanded that the resolution taken by Manipur Assembly on framework agreement should be respected by the BJP-led NDA government at the centre. M. Tombi termed the resolution of the 60 MLAs during the recently held winter session of Manipur State Assembly to put pressure on the government of India to reveal the contents of framework agreement signed between the India government and NSCN-IM as the right move. Tombi said Shiv Sena Manipur State welcomes the decision taken by the Assembly. He asserted that if the government of India fails to respect the resolution of the 60 representatives of the state, it will expose the centre's stain on Manipur and other northeastern states of the country. He maintained that Manipur extended full support in bringing a resolution to the issues of NSC and IM. However, Shiv Sena Manipur State will never accept the integration of Naga inhabited areas into solve the problem.
Nagaland the base of Adugumba, Lalhoba Loop Amana, Tongan State Humda, Makwiki Naga Kara Labado, Madu Punsan and one of the Lam Yauna Punsangani Hibase, Masi Kalai Daba, Tawai Daba, Aduga Oiro Duba Polamaneva, Masaysta Quay Ranitiam Sang the Tongusumoin Kale, any Pan Naga, Aduga Super State, 6 Schedule, Manpur Miamna, later by agreement Aduda, Yauriba, Amadi Hapsan Gadoba. Madu Punamak Miam the Kangan Bigadabne, Majid Shanagi Dimani, Miam Loinana.
Spokesperson of MPCC Kumokcham Joykishan stated that a nationwide protest will be organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and All India Congress Committee against the killing of Pravish Chanam from Uripok. The Congress MLA also warned of intense agitation until and unless the truth about the killing is found out. The MPCC spokesperson said the murder case of Pradyumayum Thakur, a student of Ryan International School on the school campus at Gurugram, was handed over to the CBI, while the death of Pravish Chanam under suspicious circumstances is not yet handed over to CBI for investigation. Joykishan met the parents of alleged Pravish Chanam at their residence in Uripok, Achom Laikai, and assured them of all possible for the party. Later, addressing media persons, Joykishan said he raised the matter during the 0 hour in the recently concluded winter session of the Manipur Assembly to draw the attention of Chief Minister to the death of Pravish Chanam. He said the Chief Minister responded by saying that he has written to the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh regarding the matter. Joykishan said the Congress party will wait and see what the state government will do in this matter till the first week of January. He announced that a nationwide protest will be led by the MPCC if the government does not take enough any step by then.
Hojik Bharata Pongpong Sariba Ryan School da Pradyuman Gowa Angama Laitaba Matamda Nongan Baga India Pumba Horaga Akweki CBI the cases Sinan Bangam Mainland India to Tokpadana Mayamna Tawai Oraga Nordiski Ama Laitaba Matamdana 2 minute Lexilisi Kariginosi Aduga Satra Sang Sam Kudimanasu I Irim the Yamba Mapomarang Kangdana Laigre Haduna Lowayaba Wapumnimas Masidagi had a saw issue mobile late train a Kali Sinichanams of rest mangi was mine muik akia listening mango have wapum late. Center the sub BJP na Palaba, UP the sub BJP na Palaba, state the sub BJP ni Palaga, initiate the Ngamdribase Masi Koidis Chingney Haitar.
While the father of late Chanam Pravish, Chanam Jugindro, appreciated the initiative taken by MLA KH Joykishan to find out the truth behind his son's death. Jugindro stated that the Pravish Chanam had died under suspicious circumstances and demanded a CBI probe into the death. It may be recalled that the Pravish Chanam, along with his friends, went to witness a concert on the night of September 8 at Greater Noida in UP, and he went missing. Information regarding his death was received on September 9th.
legidraba isa chanam pravis ase mangragasu miyamgi oigre ado matungda isada mapada mamada mamita mapi taribase amona tadanaba raniti gi dol gi khenaba leitana sangsan khudimangna dharma khudimangna ama amagi thidana sugumba thodo asi amogana mapa mama amagi mafamda tadanaba asoba mateng pangbiu haina ai miyamda su ai appeal tawjaningi
mama awatagi mabitagi mabi amwala talningde aina nutiga bisi kana mama awatani ka paningde adune mayamna asuma justice putobiduna langna langsin putobiu mayamna kenaba leitana mateng pangbiu habisajit ayajagi.
The 14th Sumang Lila Ningtham Kumhei 2017 concluded today at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sangland in Palace Compound. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar presented the Pidonu Award, the most prestigious award given to Sumang Lila artist to Tayengjam Rupachandra at the closing event. The award carries a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees, a citation and a soul. Speaking at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar said, Sumang Lila is one of the most unique art forms of the state. He said it can enthrall people by depicting this society. He maintained that the people have been patronizing the art form and assured that the government will extend all possible help to promote and preserve Sumang Lila. The Deputy Chief Minister also holds the finance portfolio, assured that he will try to include a separate budget for Sumang Lila in the budget for next year. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar said a majority of the people in Manipur are lovers of art and culture. He asserted that people's support for Sumang Lila is encouraging. The minister also assured that the government will work for the development of this unique art form. Jayantakumar told the gathering that he will try his best to resolve the controversy over land record of Iboyama Sumang Lila Sangland. Popular Award, Idol Award, Bori Award, Gojen Award and N. Birendra Kumar Award of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council were also presented at the event.
Sumang Lila kisi Sokthar Panete Sokhalakli Haibagi Kanosi. The same with the theatre ga Sumang Lila ga contemporary Lamini, Adu Masi Yamagadi, Sumang Lila de, Magi standard, Magi, upkeep same Pasale, Adu theatre day, but the Mamdalema theatre, Mumming Chatnalamba, Rumolgi, Eriangi, MDU theatre and Simba, I going to assume with the day, Masiji, Hydercle, Sidar Pogumaki, any art forms, Masi Hingat Kaitagadi. Sigi patronized of the government it should be done by the public. Public that documented patronized public na pamakai haiba art form sikadungi jasu sibatoro hena sakalakani.
Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited launched a 15-day-long National Handloom Expo 2017 sponsored by Ministry of Textile, Government of India at Manipur Trade and Exhibition Center in Lamboi, Kongnangkong today. Speaking at the launch, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajan, said the expo was being held to give a platform to women weavers of the state to showcase their products. He warned that many fraudsters are drawing loans in the names of weavers in the state. He also said many weavers' job card holders are also not doing their jobs. He disclosed that efforts are on to introduce a biometric system to carve such manners and identify the genuine weavers. He opined that such measures will ensure that the genuine weavers get the loans to empower themselves financially. Rajan assured that inconveniences facing the state's weavers in marketing their products will be resolved soon as the government will be purchasing their products. He added that even the Chief Minister gave instruction to use indigenous fabrics for making uniforms for educational institutes. He disclosed that efforts are on to utilize indigenous local fabrics for making school uniforms. Altogether, 80 different stalls will be opened at the Handloom Expo showcasing local handloom products.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯦꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯂꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯐꯣꯔꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯁꯥꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯣꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯂꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ.
One-day sensitization program on violence against women and criminal justice system reform was held at Lainingthong Puthiba Community Hall, Paurabi in Imphal East today. The sensitization program was organized by Waiton Gram Panchayat and Women Action for Development WAD. Speaking at the program, Secretary of WAD Sobita Mangsatabam emphasized the need to file a police report as the first step to get justice for crimes meted out to an individual. She maintained that atrocities and crimes against women have risen in the last 10 years in Manipur. She stated that as per media reports, there are more than 300 cases of crimes against women and children this year. She added that there are 56 reports related to suicide cases, murders and deaths under mysterious and suspicious circumstances. Sobita further pointed out that there are numerous crimes not reported, especially crime against women in hill districts. She called for reformation of customary laws to bring justice to the victims. She maintained that many culprits are roaming free protected under these customary laws. As per WAD report, crimes against women are mostly found in poor families, families with only female children, families of widows, minority clans, young married women, etc. Sobita asserted that the society has a major role in fighting crimes against women and in bringing justice to the victims. Advocate of Manipur High Court, Lama Laimayum Semananda, and co-convener of Imphal West District Women Committee and Jivan Mala were the resource persons at the event.
Mayamsi ekoi cooperation khara pibiyu aduga ibung ipasing club ki leiriba the panchayat ki leiriba mayamsing sinasu awareness program se adum legal services authority haidana leibani free da moina dum paisa pirakani ukil mayam su puraga lakani sumba mayam se sigi sangsida mafam su yam nungai khara toina tobiraga sin naw mayam sing si gyan khara tahan minba aina nungsina nalaga thammiba isa nupi do mayum pan kharaga top long hatopadu yagadrane masigi thaudo wathok se atopada thoingeda aikoina miyeng changhogdragadi aigi imungda thoglakpada kanana kandori geba tholoi su hainingai leiteba aduna khunai kanminasi Manipur kansi.
One-day free heart camp was organized by Sky Group of Hospitals in collaboration with Manipur Heart Foundation and Manipur Muslim Mirror at Integrated Development Organization in Lilong Chowbok, Ifam in Thoubal district today. The free heart camp was conducted by a team led by the first Manipuri Muslim heart surgeon Dr. Mohammad Firoz Khan under the supervision of Chairman and Chief Cardiologist of Sky Group of Hospitals Dr. L. Shamkishore. Altogether, 125 persons were provided free heart OPD, ECG, high BP detection and diabetes detection at the camp. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp. Wakangkhong Bridge, located between Yumnam Kuno and Sambai on Imphal Cycle Road, is on the verge of collapse due to frequent floods and plying of heavy vehicles of Dolai Thabi Barrage on the bridge. The bridge can collapse anytime if the authority concerned does not pay attention to the condition of the bridge soon. Kundrapum Kendra Youth Organization Kuyuku appealed to the authority to construct a diversion bridge as an immediate measure to prevent any untoward incidents. The organization warned the government should be held responsible if any unwanted incidents occurred on the bridge. The organization said it is very unfortunate that the government still remains indifferent despite the repeated requests to repair the bridge. Thoubal District Legal Services Authority opened a legal aid clinic at Hairok Part 1, Haitupokpi in Thoubal District under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority today. District and Session Judge Thobal Salam Imocha inaugurated the Legal Aid Clinic at PSWYC building in Hairok Part 1. Advocate Mohammad Zakir Hussain spoke on crime against women and mob justice, and Advocate KH Arun Joy spoke on POCSO Act, JJ Act and NFSA at the event. Judge of Family Court Thobal, Beni Ngangom and Pradhans of Gram Panchayat were also present at the event. A similar legal aid clinic was also inaugurated at Ilangwam Tondonbi Memorial Trust Office in Hianglam, Awang Laikai in Kakching District, followed by a one-day legal awareness program. Luching Purel Chingsubam Akaba Ningsing Loop in a press release said the 10th death anniversary of Chingsubam Akaba, who worked for promotion of Maitai Mayek, will be held on December 30th at Wakha Laima Ching and Citizen Club, Soibam Laikai. They appeal to people to participate in the observance. It's time for a small commercial break. A senior BJP leader, Jairam Thakur, was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh this morning. We'll be back with the details. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Senior BJP leader Jairam Thakur was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh this morning. The swearing-in ceremony held at the historic rich ground of Simla. A five-time MLA, Jairam Thakur won Siraj Assembly seat of Mandi district at this time. He was born on January 6, 1965 in Tandi village of Mandi district. Governor Acharya Devrat administered the oath of office and secrecy to Jairam Thakur. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah, senior party leader Lal Krishna Advani, 8 union ministers and as many as 13 chief ministers of BJP-ruled states were present at the swearing-in ceremony. This was the first time when the Prime Minister attended the oath-taking ceremony of the Chief Minister in the state. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren attended the swearing-in ceremony of Jairam Thakur as the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh in Simla today. Biren joined the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah and Chief Ministers of 17 states and Union Ministers in the swearing-in ceremony of Vijay Rupani as the Chief Minister of Gujarat held yesterday. Both houses of parliament were adjourned till noon today following uproar by the opposition over a Union Minister Anand Kumar H statement. As soon as the Lok Sabha met for the day, Congress and opposition members demanded an apology over Minister H controversial remarks that the ruling BJP government intends to change the constitution, which rocked the parliament today. The opposition demanded action against him in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The Congress has asked if Prime Minister Narendra Modi will break his silence on hate remarks, as the minister had openly spoken about changing the constitution. Amid the sloganeering, Speaker Sumitra Mahajan adjourned the House till noon. Rajya Sabha witnessed similar scenes before the House was adjourned. It may be mentioned that almost half of the winter session is over and a lot of legislative business is pending due to repeated interruptions in the proceedings, particularly in the Rajya Sabha. After a washout of proceedings in the first week of the winter session, both houses are expected to resume a normal functioning this week. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Marriage Bill is listed for introduction in the Lok Sabha tomorrow. The Goods and Services Tax Compensation to States Amendment Bill, the Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Amendment Bill, and the Ancient Monuments and the Archaeological Sites and Remains Amendment Bills are scheduled to be taken up for consideration and passing in the Lok Sabha today. Till now, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha have passed many important bills, including Immovable Property Amendment Bill, Forest Act Amendment Bill, Central Road Fund Amendment Bill, IIM Bill, and Companies Amendment Bill. Cold wave conditions continue to grieve the northern belt with the mercury settling several degrees below freezing point in Kashmir Valley and the places like Keelong in Himachal Pradesh recording a minimum of -8 degrees Celsius. Kargil was the coldest place in Jammu and Kashmir as the temperature dipped into -15.4 degrees Celsius. Nearby, Lehtam recorded a low of -12.7 degrees Celsius. The famous ski resort of Gulmarg in North Kashmir settled a low of -4.4 degrees Celsius. Adampur in Punjab continue to reel under intense cold with a minimum temperature of 3.7 degrees Celsius. Haryana Hisar was the coldest place, recording a low of 6.1 degrees. A thick blanket of haze enveloped the national capital with the minimum temperature settling at 7.1 degrees Celsius. In Tripura, the school education department has issued termination letters to nearly 10,000 government teachers over irregularities in the recruitment process following the Supreme Court's order. There are reports that these teachers have also been issued fresh and ad hoc appointment letters. The ad hoc appointment will be valid from January 1st to June 30th, 2018. Talking to a news agency, School Education Director UK Chakma said around 9,400 teachers were issued these letters yesterday itself, while others have been appointed as per the teacher eligibility test. The Supreme Court in March this year had ordered the state government to dismiss the jobs of 10,323 teachers by December 31st this year over non-compliance of the obligatory qualification mandated by the Right to Education Act 2009. Before this decision, the Tripura High Court in 2014 had court terminated the services of these teachers after finding irregularities in the recruitment process. Five-day and one-day training programs under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA for out-of-school children was organized by Imphal West Zone 1 at Lila Singh Khongnangkong High School yesterday. Education volunteers were trained on how to identify and bring to school dropout students and children who have never attended schools. Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandel Lukosai Jo inaugurated a Consumers Club office in Moreh today at Moreh Ward number 3, Paicham Bank this morning. Various community leaders and people in the area attended the event. President of the club, Seboy Haukip, said the club will be able to curb menaces such as sale of commodities above MRP, expired products, commodity imported from Myanmar without MRP.
Self gi khakta khanbado adu yade amana ama gi dama khanba mateng pangnaba haibata re aduga secondly da more sida haibagumna international border sida chapot adu da mayam si thore sida expiry leye leitaba suyawe adu sidi health igi issue sida ekoina compromise to bayade si international border gida som gi Burma da thorakpa Chinese Gia chapon makaisi basulay pata basulay siu masi differentiate to busungam dere khoi adu health issue shoi khoi na phasana concern to gani.
Now the sports news. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen today inaugurated the annual sports cum literary meet of Kholand Youth Club Kangpokpi in Kangpokpi district. Minister Nemcha stressed the importance of sports and education in shaping the future of the youth. She urged the youngster to take up sports as a hobby or professionally and at the same time concentrate on the studies. She also loaded the people of Collab village for their Clean Collab, Green Collab and Healthy Collab campaign. Saplings were also support of a Clean Collab, a Green Collab and Healthy Collab campaign. The 39th State and Inter-District Table Tennis Championship kicked off today at the indoor stadium on DM College campus. In junior boys team event semi-finals, Imphal East Team A beat Imphal West Team B, while Imphal West Team A beat Thoubal District. 170 men and women players representing Thoubal District, Kaching District, Bishnupur District, Imphal East and West District, Accountant General Manipur and Manipur Police Sports Club are competing in the tournament. The 4th Anand Memorial Fitness and Bodybuilding Championship is in progress today. The championship is organized by Anand Memorial Gym and Sagolban Nepra Manjor Pukrimapal Youth Development Association under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Bodybuilding Association. Altogether, 33 bodybuilders are taking part in the championship. Aizawl FC defeated Minerva Punjab FC by 2-1 in a match of the I-League tournament at Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Aizawl today. In a league match played yesterday, Indian Arrows beat Shillong Lajong by 3-0 at Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi. For the winners, Jitendra Singh, Nongdamba Naurem and Rahul Pravin netted 1 goal each in the 19th, 86th and 90+1 minutes of the match. Shillong Lajong coach Bobby Lingdon Nobet complained about tight scheduling of I-League matches after his teams lost against Indian Arrows. Nongbet, whose side suffered a 0-3 drubbing at the hands of the Arrows, also felt that the Ambedkar Stadium playing surface was hard, which made it difficult for his players to control the ball. It may be mentioned that Jitendra Singh and Nongdamba Naurem are the 2 Manipuri players who participated in the Under-17 FIFA World Cup representing host Indian team. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar releases report on land use survey of Manipur, says measures will be taken to check deforestation in the state. Minister Shyam Kumar urges municipal councils and local urban bodies to put Manipur on top in Swachh Selection 2018. Manipur Mountaineering Institute celebrates 32nd Foundation Day. Minister Shyam stresses people's role to maintain the natural beauty of Manipur. Shiv Sena Manipur State asserts that the centre should respect the stand of Manipur Assembly on Framework Agreement. And Jairam Thakur sworn in as Himachal Chief Minister. Modi, Amit Shah and 13 Chief Ministers of BJP ruled states attend the event.